I'm Heather with WTI. Recently we had record low temperatures here, and the first thing that we reached for was our BOMIDI space heater. Look at the wicked cold temperatures even creeping inside of our window panes. Our bathroom is especially in need of thawing out, and it had to be fast. This little ceramic heater takes the edge off of our cold mornings. We turn this on and aim it before we even turn on our shower. At 16 inches tall, this is the perfect height to keep us warm, but it also has tilt, so you can adjust it according to your preference. For example, my super tall husband, he likes this pointed as far up as possible so that he can feel that heat. If you've ever had a heater without a good fan to blow the heat, you'll really value this fan feature. You can actually feel the heat. Another thing I love is that running this heater didn't affect our heating bill like other heaters have done in the past. The thermostat's adjustable. We've never had need to increase the heat beyond about 70 degrees, but it's nice to know that if we need it to be hotter, we can easily push a button here or use the remote that came with it. I often use the timer since I'm the one that will forget to shut it off. 2 hours is perfect for me and the room stays nice and heated. We've used this during construction as well. It keeps the area nice and toasty. I definitely didn't need a heater to be adorable to look at, but this one's just beautiful. It just makes my love grow warmer. And that's my point of view.